What if I told you that billionaires don't actually work for money? Instead, their money works for them. While most people spend their lives trading their precious time for a salary, the super rich are busy building machines, cash printing machines that operate 24/7, even while they're sleeping. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how they do it, step by step, so you can start thinking like them. It all starts with a major mindset shift. The average person thinks, I need a higher salary. The billionaire thinks, I need a system that pays me forever. You see, there are really only 3 ways to make money in this world. First, you can trade your time for money, which is what a job is. Second, you can sell products or services, which is running a business. And third, you can own assets that produce income for you, which is investing. Billionaires focus almost exclusively on that third one. Why? Because your time is a limited resource. Assets are not. So, where do they begin? The first step is to acquire cash-flowing assets. A passive income machine always starts with assets that generate recurring cash. Think about rental properties that pay you rent every month, dividend-paying stocks that send you a check every quarter, or things like private equity, franchises, SaaS businesses, and even YouTube channels. Did you notice a pattern there? These assets are designed to pay you automatically and consistently. That's the core of the machine. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. Step 2. They use other people's money. Billionaires almost never use only their own cash to build their empires. They leverage bank loans, find investors, strategically use debt, and form partnerships. For example, instead of buying one rental property with their own cash, they'll use that same cash as a down payment to get loans for 10 properties. If each one brings in $2,000 a month, that's suddenly $20,000 a month in income. And the best part, the tenants' rent payments are paying off the loans. The middle class is often taught to fear debt, but the rich understand how to use it as a powerful tool for growth. This is financial leverage in action. Next up, step 3. They reinvest everything. This is a crucial difference. When most people get extra cash, they upgrade their lifestyle, a new car, a bigger house. Billionaires upgrade their assets. When one of their income machines produces a profit, they don't go on a spending spree. They multiply it. They take that profit and use it to buy more assets. This creates even more cash flow, which they then use to buy even more assets. It's a powerful loop. That's how $1 million turns into 100 million. Their real superpower isn't genius. It's the relentless force of compound growth. Which brings us to step 4. They build businesses that can run without them. Let's be clear. True passive income isn't about doing absolutely nothing. It's about systemized income. Billionaires are masters at removing themselves from the daily operations. They hire CEOs to run their companies, build expert teams, automate every possible process, and create standard operating procedures for everything. The key distinction here is being an owner, not an operator. If you have to show up every single day to make money, you don't own a business machine. You own a high-stress job. Of course, putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. That's why step 5 is to diversify the machines. One income stream is fragile, so they build several across different sectors. They'll have money in real estate, the stock market, private startups, tech companies, media enterprises, and global investments. This way, if one machine slows down or breaks, the others keep printing cash, ensuring their wealth remains stable and secure no matter what the economy is doing. Building the machine is one thing, but step 6 is just as important. They protect the machine. They use sophisticated legal and financial structures like trusts, holding companies, and advanced tax strategies. The goal is simple. Keep more of what they earn, lose less to taxes and other risks, and enable their wealth to grow even faster. It's a defensive strategy that secures their fortune for generations. So, let's tie this all together with one final mindset shift. The average person asks, how much do I earn per month? The billionaire asks, how many assets are paying me this month? That single question changes the entire game. It shifts your focus from working harder to building smarter. If you want to start building passive income, you don't need to be a billionaire. Just start small. Buy one asset. Build one simple system. Create one new income stream. Then, use the profits to do it again and again. Because true financial freedom isn't built by working harder. It's built by creating machines that work for you. And once your machine is running, you're free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building your wealth.